Okay, children, this is the part 5 and the last part we are discussing here in 10th class, ideas of development. Now we are going to discuss under the topic of development over time, schooling revolution in Himachal Pradesh. In this point of view, we discuss about what type of progress achieved by the Himachal Pradesh in schooling revolution. Himachal Pradesh government is concentrated on education that gives good results, that we discuss. At beginning, when we got independence, at the time Himachal Pradesh position is, that is hilly area, less education percentage is there, less income sources are there, so that is also a very poor condition state compared to all other states when we got independence at the time. But the government and the people of Himachal Pradesh both are concentrated on education. That's why the state progress also developed day by day, and its position is well developed now. Why? What is the reason? People mindset as well as the government mindset, both the mindsets are coincide and same. That's why the progress of Himachal Pradesh is very good. So that is about the schooling revolution. At the beginning, when we got independence, the position of Himachal Pradesh is low education, low literacy rate. But Himachal Pradesh state government, Himachal Pradesh state government spend for one student 2005 rupees per year for one student. Spending 2005 rupees. Himachal Pradesh state government 2005 rupees for one student spending for education. Spending for education. So that is most important here. They expend 2005 rupees for one student, whereas other states spending rupees 1049 for one student for education. So this is the most important. You can observe. Himachal Pradesh state government is spending 2005 rupees for one student for 1 year, whereas other states in India, which is spending 1049 rupees for one student for education. So, lot of variation is there here. In Himachal Pradesh, they build in Himachal Pradesh, the government constructed number of schools and provided infrastructure facilities. Government provided good infrastructure facilities. Good infrastructure facilities. It means for sitting purpose, lot of benches arranged, and I mean, good facilities in the classroom, which is arranged by the state government, and good teachers. It means a teaching staff, and toilet facilities. This is the most important for government schools. Toilet facilities provided by government in all schools. Good facilities. And here, fourth class employees, that is called attenders. Attenders, clerks also provided. So, these facilities provided, and one more important thing is here, that is, there is no gender bias. Simply we say less gender bias. Less gender bias. What is this? Compared to all other states, what is the position of Himachal Pradesh in this point of view? That is a gender bias. In all states, most of the parents are thinking about women is not getting proper education. Why? Because women is outgoing. The men is inside, and heredity, hierarchy and heredity person. So that's why they give important, all parents give importance to only boys compared to girls. This is the position in all states. Not only Himachal Pradesh, but also all states thinking about that. The Himachal Pradesh parents thinking is entirely different. They give first priority for both the candidates, I mean female and the male. There is no inequality in the matter of education or property, etc. So that is the secret of success of Himachal Pradesh. What is very very important? Less gender bias. It means whether male or female, they are giving equal status. Suppose male is there, they are getting education, they are going for employment, they are earning the money, they support the family. And the female also doing the same thing. Female also doing the same thing. Female also getting good education, they are going to schools. After completion of the school education, they join in colleges, and they are getting good education after good employment and earn the money to support the family. In Himachal Pradesh, what is the position? According to 2013 report, what is position of Himachal Pradesh? The female, most of the female getting education, after completion of education, they are ready to do number of jobs, not only Himachal Pradesh but also neighboring states, earned money and given to the parents. Then per capita income is raised. So that is the success. One third class, fourth class children given a report. What that is? One news reporter asked a question. What about your educational status, and how you are getting education? What is your goals? Then they gave reply, good reply. I am getting good education in Himachal Pradesh government schools, and I am going to discuss my teachers giving good education. That's why I hope to achieve my targets like a policeman or teacher or good employment. Teacher, policeman or military jobs or software engineers, like this they said. So their ambition, their goals are very nice. And finally they said, my teachers love very much, and we love the same way. So that's why there is a good correlation between teacher and the student. So that's why here the educational status is increased in Himachal Pradesh. So one side government, one side people, both are coincide their ideas, and both are concentrated on education. That's why in Himachal Pradesh, in education system is very good. Here in all government schools, toilet facilities and sanitization is very bad. But here in Himachal Pradesh is very good. And one more thing is, they are getting good education in all government schools. Government schools provide good education. So this is most important. And less gender bias. That's why both male and female going equally, and there is a male and female getting good education. And equal priority given by the parents. So that is most important thing. So that's why they are getting good education. They settled in all government jobs in Himachal Pradesh state and other states, neighbor states, and abroad also. They earn a lot of money and given to the parents and supported to the parents. That's why their per capita income is very high. Here one more important thing is that active Mahila Mandals play important role. Active Mahila Mandals played an important role. For development of the society. Male as well as female both are participated in social activities. If any problem which rises in the society, automatically male will involve and solve the problem. Sometimes female also join with male and they solve the problem. This is the active role played by the Mahila Mandals. So this is a very good and very nice program conducted by the female educated persons. బాబు ఆపేస్తే నేను తర్వాత అంతవరకు మళ్ళీ కంటిన్యూ చేస్తాను. Okay children, now we are going to discuss ideas of development part 6. So in previous class we discussed about schooling revolution in Himachal Pradesh, and later we are discussing about what type of things are there in Himachal Pradesh, how the Himachal Pradesh in better position. By observation of this table, we can discuss why it is in top position. The progress of Himachal Pradesh is, this table will come in 2 marks. What is the progress in Himachal Pradesh? Let's see all of you. In Himachal Pradesh and India comparison in the development. Overall India, what is the position? And especially Himachal Pradesh, what is the position? We discussed it here. First of all, the percentage of the girls with more than 5 years education, it means plus 6 years and above. It plus 6 to up to 5 years means 11th standard. Himachal Pradesh 1993, 39% members are there. In 2006, 60 members are there. The same condition. Overall in India 1993, 28% is there. But 2006, 40 members are there. Here the growth rate is 21, and here growth rate is just 12. Just 12. The growth rate is just 12. You compare how the progress is compared to India and Himachal Pradesh. In the matter of girls' education, from first standard to up to 5 years, and later in the matter of boys, more than 5 years or 6 years. Himachal Pradesh in 1993, the progress of the boys in 1993, 57. In 2006, it is increased to 75. It means 75 minus 57, that is 8 and 18. The progress is 18%, there are 18 members. And here in India, in the matter of boys' focus to get the education, that is only 6% are 6 members. So, by observation of this table, comparison to India and Himachal Pradesh, only one state, the education levels of girls and education levels of the boys is very better. Indian point of view, boys education is 6, only 6 members of progress is there between 2006 and 1993. 3 and 0, and here is 0. That 16 minus 3, 3 years, 1, 13 years. Within the 13 years, this is 7 plus 6, 13 years, yes. Within the 13 years, the progress in India is only 12. The progress in Himachal Pradesh is 21. The progress in the matter of girls we discussed. In the matter of boys, within India 6 only, but here Himachal Pradesh 18. So 3 times better compared to India in the matter of the boys' education, and as well as nearly 2 times better in the matter of girls' education, because a lot of variation is there, we know that, but less gender bias is there in Himachal Pradesh, we observed it. So finally, if there is any doubt in this chapter, you can give clarification. I will give clarification on Saturday. You can make a calls. Okay.